Room divider sliding door fitting up to 80 kilograms. Here we have a hardware set for the do-it-yourself area. To find out whether this hardware set is the right one for your project, see the data on the left below the picture. We have solutions for almost all door projects for your home. Easy to understand instructions for DIY enthusiasts are also included. Here is an overview of all the items in the set. This application example shows the use of the parts and the uncomplicated assembly in an easily understandable way. Finished.